Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a get ready with me as I'm heading out. I thought of doing it in front of the camera for you guys. And for today's video I'm going to keep it really simple. Also I'm going to use some Plum makeup products. I have been using them for a couple of days lately and I will be sharing with you guys my everyday routine. So let's start with the primer. So this is the Plum Prep Set Go primer. This is actually going to minimize the pores and smooth the skin out. As you can see, I did not take a lot of amount, just a little bit on the areas where I feel like I need a little bit of smoothing and mattifying. So this actually gives the skin a very soft matte finish and it can be the perfect canvas for your foundation. As you can see, I'm applying it on the forehead as well. And after that I am going to go in with the foundation. I'll be using the Plum Soft Blend Weightless foundation. This foundation is very hydrating, but at the same time it gives a very nice medium coverage and it's super lightweight as well. As you can see, I'm just blending the foundation with my beauty blender and it just gives the most soft matte effect on the skin. I love it so much. It actually adapts with your skin and it makes your skin look so natural and so flawless. And yeah, as you can see right now, my skin looks absolutely beautiful. This is also infused with hyaluronic acid, willow bark extract, vitamin E, and skin just looks flawless after application. The next step in my routine is to use a concealer, and I'm going to use the Soft Blend Liquid Concealer from Plum. This is a medium to high coverage concealer that gives a very soft matte finish and covers dark circle within seconds. This product is formulated with cucumber extract, avocado extract and vitamin E to calm puffy eyes. As you can see right now, I don't like to use a lot of concealer, just a tiny bit, and it does cover up really nicely and perfect for an everyday basis. Next, I am actually going to use this compact powder which gives a very nice soft matte effect on the skin. I love using this to just set my under eyes. I also like to use it in areas where I feel like I might get a little bit oily throughout the day, and I'll show you guys a up close shot of how the powder sits on the skin. It doesn't dry out my skin at all and sets the makeup perfectly well. As you can see right now, my base is looking extremely good and this powder just sets it very nicely. Next, I like to touch up on my brows and I will use the brow definer by Plum. On one side you can see it has a spoolie and the other side it has this waxy sort of a pencil, and I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows a little bit and draw on the brows. It actually is very good because this formula is very smooth and non-sticky and it works really nicely for all brow shapes. As you can see, my brows definitely look very fuller and filled. So the next product that I'm going to use is the Lip and Cheek Tint by Plum. This shade is so beautiful. It is perfect to use it as like an eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm taking a big fluffy brush. You can use this on your cheeks. You can use this on your lips as well. And I'm just blending it out really nicely. It actually blends out pretty nicely when you just use a very fluffy brush. And after that I'm doing the same to my other eye as well. It blends out to this beautiful brown mauve shade which is perfect for a transition color. So that's what I am doing right now, and this just takes few minutes to do. It's very easy, and I'm doing that in the lower lash line as well. After that, I am actually going to take this new liner that I got from Plum. They come in a variety of shades, but I'm going to add a pop of color to my look. As you can see, this is super pigmented, and yeah, I'm just going to add this and draw a precise line. I'm really not that good at drawing liners, but I always try to make it kind of thin and a little bit more precise, I would say. So yeah, I am just doing that right now. As you can see, it is very vibrant. Also, without much effort, this eyeliner can make your look vibrant and effortless within minutes. So I would say it is also very super long lasting and beginner friendly as well. And as you can see, I tried to do a little bit of a graphic liner. I'm not, as I said, I'm not really good at liner, but basically I drew a little bit of small tiny line on top of my liner so that it looks nice. I like this kind of liner. So after that, I am going to use the Plum. This is the mascara, and to tie up the whole look, I love using a mascara, and this actually is going to give you definition, and at the same time it is going to increase the volume and length. Just look at the difference between the two. It actually made my eye look a little bit more bigger. And this mascara is also perfect for an everyday basis and has a very nice buildable formula. As you can see right now, it looks amazing. Now for the cheeks, I'm going to use the Plum Touch and Go Lip and Cheek Tint, and I love this product so much. It is so good. As you can see, it just blends out like a dream, and you can use this in so many different ways. It has a buildable formula that gives a very nice soft matte finish, and it looks super natural on the skin and is formulated with jojoba oil, shea butter and almond oil. And as you can see, it does give a very nice soft glow on the skin as well, so that you don't have to go in with another layer of highlighter. I love to use a blush that is really has a natural finish to it, and as you can see, this looks super good on medium skin. So after that, I am going to take the Plum Matterrific Lipstick, and I'm going to use two shades here. These are two shades are my favorite shade, and yeah, I'm going to actually draw with the brown lipstick. As you can see on the outside, this formula is my favorite because it is very long lasting and really looks good on the lips. And after that is done, I'm going to take the peachy shade and I'm just going to put this in the center of the lips. So it's going to create a very nice ombre effect, which is going to make your lips look a little bit more bigger and fuller. So as you can see, it gives a very nice soft velvety matte finish and is super comfortable to wear as well. So after this, I'm just going to put on my hoop earrings, and yeah, I'm just done for the day. I wanted to keep the look very casual, very simple. This is something that I like to do almost every single day, and I'll leave all the links in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. Also, you can use my code to get off or discount on Plum. And yeah, thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.